A building load consists of 30 100 watt, 50 75 watt, and 40 60 watt incandescent lamps, all connected in parallel to a 116 volt source. Calculate A, the total power, B, the total current, and C, the current through each size of lamp. To calculate the total power, let's go ahead and multiply each given sizes to the pieces of lamps. So for a 100 watt lamp, we have 30 pieces, and that's 3,000 watts in total. For the 75 watt, we have 50 pieces, which is a total of 3,750 watts. And lastly, for the 60 watt lamp, we have 40 pieces of it, so that's equal to 2,400 watts. Now we are going to add these three, and we'll get 9,150 total power in watts. For B, we have to find the total current. From the formula power is equal to current times voltage, we can rearrange this in order for us to find the total current. Therefore, we have I is equal to P over V. So that's 9,150 over 116, which is equal to 78.9 amps. For C, we are asked to get the current flowing through each of the lamps. The formula we're going to use is the same as letter B. I is equal to P over V, except for V, we have to multiply the voltage to the number of lamps that we have. So for the 100 watt lamp, that's 3,000 watts over 30 pieces times 116 volts. And this will be 0.863 amp. Now for the 75 watt lamp, 3,750 watts over 50 pieces times 116 volts, and we'll get 0.646 amps. And lastly, for the 60 watt lamp, 2,400 watts over 40 pieces times 116 volts, and this is equal to 0.518 amp. Using the data from problem 4, calculate A, the equivalent resistance of the entire load, and B, the resistance of each size of lamp. For A, we can use the formula of resistance, which is R is equal to V over I. The voltage given was 116 volts, and the total current was 78.9 amps. And this is equal to 1.47 ohms. Now for letter B, we are asked to calculate the resistance of each size of the lamps. So we can again use the formula for resistance, R is equal to V over I. Now for the 100 watt lamp, that's 116 volts over 0.863 amps, and this is equal to 135 ohms. For the 75 watt lamp, 116 over 0.646, this is equal to 180 ohms. And lastly, for the 60 watt lamp, 116 over 0.518, this is equal to 224 ohms.